National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles east of Oostburg to 7 nautical miles west of Port Washington, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include North Point Lighthouse and Port Washington. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.